You guys, any win is a win, okay? Any win is a win, guys. Guess what? Guess what, guys? Hi guys, we are the shop. Okay, I'm here to shop my equipment. This guy is very funny. You better give me discount too. I want to me Yes, you have to give me discount.
I wish you that.
You will give me discount, enough discount, okay? No, I don't want that. Tell them you will give me discount because more I chop. Why I get this one? Yes, you have to give me this.
Hello.
You guys should tell them to give me discount. I beg. They should give me discount. I'm not smiling. Yeah, you guys. Yes, I am. I am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, put it on table everywhere.
We don't even put our mic and we are wasting this video.
Your mic?
Where is the mic?
If you want to pick it too.
Where is the mic? Let's test the mic too.
Okay.
No, let's change the lights. Let's change where do I set my light? I want to change this light to another light. Yeah. A brighter one. I want to be glowing like African princess.
Oh my god.
Nah, I prefer the other one.
Okay, the other one?
Yeah, I think that's
this one?
No. The one we're using before now.
See the one I'm using before.
Yes, let's go back to that one.
See the one I'm using before.
Was it this one?
This one is brighter.
Yeah, was this the one we're using when I started?
No.
I want that one. It's like that one is brighter.
You're gonna check all this line there. Oh my god.
Yes, this is it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
You never charge it.
True.
You charge the light to give you what you
give
want.
me what I want.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, any win is a win. Okay. Yes. Any win is a win. Be proud of your wins. We are here to do some shopping.
How excited you are.
Yes, I'm excited, but the thing is that you have to give me enough discounts. Like I'm not here to play. Okay, guys, we'll catch you guys back. We need to test the mic right now. Bye. See ya. Keep watching. Stay tuned.
Problem go away. Family problem go away. Hello. Let's test this. Let's see how good this is. This is Agility Investment Nigeria Limited. We deal on all kinds of communication gadgets. Yeah.
So guys, I finally launched my equipment. My equipment for filming. Okay, it's about to go down. Anyway guys, let's get right into the unboxing. I want to unbox my equipment that I got. I didn't get so much, but like I said, any win is a win. Okay, you have to be proud of your little achievements. You have to be proud of your wins, no matter how small. So guys, first and foremost, I got the L15 selfie stick. Okay, this L15, it's very nice. This is the pack. This is how it is. So this selfie stick, I'll be opening it. It has a front full light, and which is removable as well. It has a tripod stand. In fact, it's all in one. So let's bring it out. Let's see. Yes. So guys, this is how it looks like. As you're bringing it out, this is how it looks like. This is the fill lights. Okay, so when you get this, you do it this way, take it off. Then if you want to make use of the tripod, you extend from here. You extend it from here. If you want to make use of just this very small one, you can just do it like this and keep on your desk. Okay, and you can start filming. Then this right here is the phone clip where you put your phone. So you can turn it this way, open this two stuffs here, then extend it this way. You extend it and put your phone. I think yes. Okay, Okay, you extend from this angle. You extend, fix your phone, and start filming. Then if you want to make use of the lights, this is the light. The light is usually here, so you can take off the light from here. Then you fix it. This is where you fix the lights here. This is the button for the lights. Then you on your lights. You long press. Yo, right now I'm filming without a stand, but I need to do this unboxing. Okay, you can change the light to your preference. The light changes anyhow you want it. This, you see, it keeps changing: night mode, morning mode, day mode, all the modes you can ever think of. Okay, I think I prefer this. Now if you want to do your vlogs as well, this can also serve you for your vlogs. This is extendable. I think how many inches? I've even forgotten the how many inches. I think 8 inches or so. Yes, this is 8 inches or thereabouts. See, so I can actually keep it and do my vlogs. Yeah, so maybe I should just keep using the light for now. When I'm done, I'm gonna dismantle everything and put it back into the pack. It also has the charger. I've not even charged the lights yet, because if I charge this light, the effect is gonna give you, it will be out of this world. So it has a USB cord for charging of the lights. Okay, that's it for my L15 selfie stick. Stable tripod stand, removable fuel lights, phone clip. That's the what makes it up. Then again, guys, guess what? I also got the K9 wireless double microphone. Yeah, the K9 wireless double microphone. As you can see, this is it. I'm gonna open it so that we get to see what it's like. Where are they opening it again? Okay, yes, so this is the box. This is how the inside looks like. I hope you guys can see it. Oh my god, this is how the inside looks like. This is the first mic, this is the second mic. This is the one you attach to the phone. Then it has Apple cord and Type-C. So depending on your phone and which of the phone you are using, you can make use of this mic. It also has the charger. The charger is here. Yeah, so these equipments are actually very nice and quite affordable. And I will advise you guys, if you want to get your equipment, don't buy from all these don't buy online. Yeah, don't just buy online. You need to go there physically to see what you're actually buying, what you're getting for yourself. Okay, you test and be sure that they are working. All right, so this is my microphone, the double K9 wireless microphone. I got this for the microphone 17.5, right? It was supposed to be 8. I think they told me 19K or something, but like, you know, I had to press. I got this for 17.5. Yeah, then I got my tripod. I got my selfie stick tripod stuff for, how much did they finally give me? 16.5. I'll be 17 as well. So the both of them was roughly 34,000, you know. Yeah, so it's quite affordable and you can make use of it to do whatever you want to do. Okay, so this is my unboxing. Yeah, I think I should just continue. Don't need taking down the mic. I'll get back to you guys. Okay, let me fix my mic and attach the phone, then we'll continue. Yep, welcome back, guys. Sorry. So guys, I've attached my microphone. Yeah, I've attached my mic. I just wanted you guys to see the difference. Okay, so you can decide to hold it like this as usual, or you clip it. It has a clip. Yeah, there's a clip here, so you can as well clip to your cloth, somewhere very close to your mouth. Okay, you just clip. This is where I clipped it. I believe this should do. Yeah, then you start speaking. You don't need to shout, especially when maybe we are in a busy place and you don't want to shout, okay, you can just clip your mic and talk and you will get this. Okay, yeah, so that's it for my unboxing video. Okay, so to small YouTubers out there, okay, to my fellow um small YouTubers that are still growing, you don't need to break the bank. Okay, you don't need to break the bank for your equipment. Start with the little you have. Yeah, I started filming with just my phone, nothing else. Okay, but as time goes on, as time went on, I started to just get this, which I feel like it's multi-purpose and it's quite affordable. You don't need to break the whole bank, okay? All in the name of getting equipment, which of course you know that you've not started making money out of it, okay? So manage your resources as much as you can, get the little you can, and keep it moving. Okay, all we seek for is growth. All right, so as time goes on, we'll all get there. Okay, so this is my little way of encouraging people like me, other people out there. Okay, anyone you can get this app. Right, this is very much affordable. This is okay once you have your phone, your good phone. Okay, have your good phone, have a stand like this, because of course I'm using my stand right now. Okay, I don't need to bother about my phone falling or whatever. My phone is properly clipped to my tripod stand. Yes, tripod slash selfie stick. Okay, light is on, then I have my mic. I think I'm good to go. Glamorous don't arrive. Oh. If you watched that Glamour Girls, yeah, Emanuela don't arrive. Oh. I mean, Glamorous have arrived. Okay, guys. See you guys. Catch you guys later. Bye.